Hi everybody, today I will talk about how to correct a bad habit of your left arm. I see many times with students and violinists, if you go in higher positions, you start from the fifth or sixth position to turn your overarm and then you turn it back. So the position what you do is this. So first of all it hurts, and on the second hand is I cannot be so fast. So my exercise is you have to take a ball, a little ball in your hand, and you would throw it behind you here, this direction. So you can see I'm not turning. So the movement should be like this. And if I don't catch something, then I go a little bit more to my right arm and I come back. But never turn. The next exercise, how should be my arm to the violin? Which angle do I need? Should it be like this? Should it be like this? Or should it be in a perfect harmony to my violin? So you can see it's always under my violin. So I can move high up, I can move low, up, low. And then I can reach a perfect first position or third position. You can see this is always one line.